So Vincent, Italian markets are up this morning. What's all the optimism about?
Well, it's kind of on very thin optimism indeed. I mean, there was some development on the political front over the weekend with the re-election of Giorgio Napolitano as the country's president. This is an unprecedented event in Italy. No president has ever been re-elected, and Napolitano did not want to be re-elected. But the only way to break the post-election deadlock in Italian politics was to do so. So that has happened. There's a bit of relief for on the markets. We're seeing money flowing back in, but it's all a bit unreal.
Yeah, so this, I guess, is the real question for investors. If they've broken this particular part of the political deadlock, can we be any more confident in the country's economic prospects?
No, we can't at all. The only thing that's really driving Italian markets at the moment, and it's the same with Spain, is liquidity. I mean, Italy is incredibly lucky in the timing of this political crisis because it coincides with enormous pools of liquidity out there looking for places to invest. Italian bonds are very attractive because they pay benchmark bonds pay 4%. Stocks look cheap. I think there's a lot of money going into Italy on that basis. Nothing to do with Italian fundamentals, either economic or political, because in fact on both fronts they're absolutely dire.
So what are the fundamentals economically for Italy? How bad is it?
Oh, it's very bad at the moment. I mean, Italy's in recession. It's probably in recession in the indefinite future until major structural reforms are approved by the country. And we're very far away from that because there's no government. And getting consensus on anything is proving very difficult, as we saw in the case of Napolitano and the shenanigans that went on before he was re-elected. So it's a very, very difficult time. Italy's economy is in stagnation, I think, indefinitely, and there's nothing that anybody can really do about that at the moment.
Well, in that case, today's market rise, I guess, looks like a temporary respite rather than the start of anything more sustainable. Vincent, thank you very much.